Hey y'all, it's Rosie from iHeartRecipes.com. I've been reading the comments, y'all. You want some low-carb, keto-friendly recipes, so let's get into it with this keto fried chicken. Now, I'm going to shoot this video over to my homeboy at Dame Drops Entertainment so he can share this with his audience as well. If you want the recipe, head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. So I got started off with my spicy pork skins, y'all. This is going to be a spicy fried chicken or keto fried chicken. And I'm just going to grind the pork skins until they are nice and fine, just like so. And now I'm going to start adding in some regular Miss Dash seasoning, as well as some garlic powder. Now I know Miss Dash has garlic powder. I'm going to add more. And I'm going to add some onion powder. Miss Dash actually has that as well, but I want to add lots of flavors, so I added some more, okay? So now we're going to pulse it until it's well combined, and then I'm going to grab a freezer bag, and I'm going to add our low-carb breading into that freezer bag. So now we're just going to set this to the side and work with our chicken. Now, as you see, I have some wings. I'm going to drizzle it with some hot sauce because I told y'all this is going to be spicy keto fried chicken. And now I have 2 eggs I'm going to beat, okay? So lightly beat those eggs. Now we're going to drizzle the eggs all over the chicken, and the eggs help our breading stick to the chicken, okay? So don't skip out on this. And now we are just going to make sure the chicken is nicely coated with the hot sauce and the egg. Now, once it is, we can go ahead and grab our breading that we made earlier, or we ground earlier. And now we're going to start adding in the chicken. And be sure to shake off any excess egg and hot sauce because, yeah, it will stick better if not too much is on there, if that makes any sense. And once some of that's in there, you're just going to give it a nice little shake to make sure it's coated, and you can start adding in more of your chicken after you do that little toss, okay? So let's add in the chicken, and once all that chicken is in there, we're going to shake up this bag, and we're going to make sure that each and every one of these little chicken pieces are nicely coated with the breading, okay? And if in doubt, feel free to make, more than less of the breading. So here I have my little cookie sheet. I have a rack in there. I did line the bottom with some foil to catch all the drippings because, less cleanup afterwards. And now I'm going to start adding my chicken wings on top of the rack. And you did see me spray the rack with some cooking spray. Now make sure you use cooking spray. As you see, I'm spraying the chicken, but make sure you use cooking spray and not baking spray. They are different. Baking spray actually has flour in it. And if you're on keto, you don't want any flour. So cooking spray, not baking spray. Just read the stuff really closely, y'all. So now that everything is nice and ready to go, again, we did spray the chicken with that cooking spray as well. We're going to head over to our oven, which is on 400, and we are going to bake it, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna bake it for 30 minutes, remove it from the oven, turn the chicken, and bake it for another 30 minutes, okay? Because you want it nice and crispy on both sides. And once the chicken is done, this is what it's going to look like, y'all. Super crispy fried, hey, let me get it right, keto fried chicken. Head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com, so you can get the exact measurements. And I want to thank you so much for watching.